For the treatment of cancer, know the advanced treatment of cancer. As quickly as you hear the name of a dangerous sickness like cancer around you, many terrible thoughts begin entering the mind. Cancer is a completely dangerous sickness, and the maximum painful situation occurs whilst the disease is thought and is going through the remaining degrees. As quickly as you listen the name of a dangerous sickness like most cancers round you, many bad mind begin coming inside the thoughts. Cancer is a completely dangerous disease, and the maximum painful condition occurs when the disease is thought and goes via the final levels. If cured and cared for on time, most cancers can be effortlessly eradicated. There are numerous new and advanced treatments to be had for the remedy of most cancers these days. Advanced remedy of most cancers. Most cancers is a risky sickness, which can be cured by means of a patient if it's far detected within the beginning, but as its degree will increase, the hazard of life of people will increase. Many varieties of remedy are given to humans with superior level cancer, which includes some advanced remedies, together with customized and precision medicinal drug. Many researchers have located that cancer turns on in a different way in every patient. In any such state of affairs, doctors are capable of recognize tumors easily in customized and precision medicinal drug remedy. With the help of organism and mutation in this, doctors make it clean to decide how most cancers can be handled. It is also called targeted remedy, wherein medical doctors manipulate to get to the foundation of the disease. People also like to find solutions to prostate cancer treatment in India. Scented remedies. Scented remedy has a critical function within the boost remedy of most cancers. It takes into consideration those genes, proteins and blood cells, which can be useful in increasing cancer cells. This is very distinctive from the chronic treatment of most cancers chemotherapy, as it's miles considered to be the most advanced way of treating cancer, which fits to discover the developing cells of most cancers. In this method, medical doctors can easily discover cancerous tumors. Examples of scented remedies. Cancer is treated with trastuzumab or Herceptin remedy, which includes HER2 gene mutations. Herceptin is an instance of immune-scented therapy. It falls beneath the class of monoclonal antibodies. Drug treatments which includes fatinib or Giletrif and cetuximab or Erbitux save you the boom of a substance known as EGFR in most cancers, which will increase the hazard of colorectal and lung most cancers. Drugs including dabrafenib or Tefinlar and vemurafenib or Gelboraf treat cancer, pores and skin most cancers, in cancer, which contains a mutation BRF gene. Cataract surgical treatment in India. Immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is of various importance in advanced treatment of cancer. In this method of treatment, the immune system, i.e. the immune machine, is blanketed from most cancer cells. Monoclonal antibodies. Immune systems produce proteins known as antibodies that work to locate most cancer cells that are growing in the frame. All antibodies combat in opposition to most cancer cells. A few antibodies additionally do this on my own, and some are related to toxic materials, along with chemotherapy, that work to spoil cancer cells. Renal transplant in India. Checkpoint inhibitors. Immunotherapy removes checkpoint inhibitors substances. Because, at the back of the checkpoint floor, some cancer cells are frozen which the immune machine isn't always able to discover. In such instances, inhibitors work to dispose of those checkpoints so that the immune gadget can lessen its effect through locating cancer cells. Most cancers vaccine. Frequently given at some point of most cancers, the most cancers vaccine allows the immune machine combat off illnesses together with mumps or measles. Provide an explanation for that. There are kinds of most cancers vaccine. Preventive vaccine, additionally known as prophylactic vaccine, is helpful in stopping cancer. Remedy vaccine, additionally known as therapeutic vaccine. On this, the immune device of the cancer-affected person is reinforced, which enables in preventing cancer. Give an explanation for that. There are two kinds of cancer preventive vaccine in the USA. The first is human papillomavirus, HPV, and the second hepatitis B virus. There, treatment vaccines are also available for metastatic and prostate cancer. IVF remedy in India. Cytokines. Proteins called cytokines regulate the growth and functionality of immune cells. It also strengthens the immune gadget towards most cancers. It contains kinds of proteins, the primary interferons, which produce immune cells that fight cancer. Another is interleukins, which paintings in close contact with immune cells. Vehicle T cells therapy. T cells gift in the immune device also are known as fighter cells, which shield the body from viruses and different diseases. Automobile T cells therapy is a treatment in most cancers wherein those cells compete strongly with most cancers. On this method, medical doctors first extract T cells from the bloodstream. They then trade the genes of these cells. They do that in order that the cancer cells present inside the frame can be determined and eliminated. After this, the doctors do the work of re-putting T cells into the body. Radiation remedy. Radiation therapy is likewise one of the advanced treatments for most cancers. On this, cancer cells are killed through radiation. New methods were introduced to the radiation therapy remedy of cancer. Let's recognize. Depth-modulated radiotherapy. With the help of a gadget, a big quantity of radiation is left inside the cancerous place, however it also damages some of the close-by healthful tissue. Image-guided radiation remedy. On this technique, docs pick out and treat cancerous regions through photoscans which include MRI and core test. Stereotactic radiosurgery. On this, a big quantity of radiation is left in a small part of the frame suffering from most cancers. This approach may be very effective in casting off tumors from small elements like mind and spine. Pores and skin cancer treatment in India. Proton remedy. Proton remedy is the latest approach in radiotherapy for the remedy of most cancers. X-rays are used to give radiation to radiotherapy to most cancers patients. This type of radiation therapy makes use of protons which easily take away cancer cells. Proton therapy is used to put off tumors from these parts of the body. Like brain, prostate, lame, liver, breast, esophagus, colon, the eyes, head and neck. Robotic-assisted surgical treatment. Allow me let you know that operation remains the largest treatment for most cancers treatment. At the identical time, in robot surgical treatment, medical doctors deal with the frame with the help of tools and cameras. Medical doctors perform cancer surgical treatment through robotic arms. That's taken into consideration better than a real surgeon.